Health is wealth. It is said that the health of a person is as much important as wealth to live a healthy, peaceful, and prosperous life. Health is God's gift to us. It refers to the physical and mental state of a human being. The basic law of good health are related to the food we eat, the amount of physical exercise we do, meditation, hygiene, and adequate sleep. A healthy person feels confident, sociable, and energetic. If the basic law of good health is not followed, it will lead to various diseases. Children also need to maintain a good physical and mental health. They should be encouraged to play outdoors and reduce screen time. They should eat a healthy and balanced diet and reduce the intake of junk foods. We should stay both physically and mentally healthy. A person in good health can actively work and make his dream come true. Good health is the key to the happiness in life. Wealth gives us confidence in life for lesser duration, but sound health keeps us motivated and confident throughout the life.